database by typing the following command: MYSql, click the execute button to run the command. This tells MySQL workbench to use the database named school. Next, let's display all records from the student table. Select asterisk from student, run the query to view all student records stored in the table. Now we will update the year value for a specific student using this command: update student set year equals 2015, where student ID equals 1004, execute the query. This statement updates the year to 2015 for the student whose student ID is 1004. Finally, run the select statement again to verify the changes. Select asterisk from student. You can now see that the student record has been updated successfully in MySQL workbench. Thank you for watching.